Hi everyone, this is Rebecca from Bredin Digital and Fandom Will Travel. It's been a while since I've been on camera to talk to you guys for either company really. So I thought I would do a quick state of the Bredin and give you an update on everything that's going on because there are some big changes coming up. I'll start with Bredin Digital stuff because there's just a few things there. I'm really looking forward to 2025. I'm hoping to return to doing more video production services. Last year I took a bit of a pause there and had to try and do other stuff. And this year I'm really hoping to get back into it. I've got some time coming up in the next few months. So I have availability for video production or editing effective immediately. I will be available to work through all of April. I will not be available through May. I have some health things that I'm going to be taking care of that month. But through all of April, I'm available. And then June onwards, I will be available. I also have expanded what digital means for Bredin Digital. I'm not sure if you can see here. I've got a 3D printer here, and if there is interest, I am able to offer 3D printing services. So to the Have Fandom Will Travel stuff, which is the bigger opportunity right now, there's a lot going on. If you've been following my social media for a while, you'll know I started mostly working with Disney content, and you may have noticed that I have not been promoting that as much. That is intentional. I am going to be focusing on promoting international travel for the time being, while US relations are still in its current state. I just don't feel like it is responsible for me as a travel agent to send someone to a place that I wouldn't visit myself right now. I am still available to book domestic Disney and Universal trips. I know that Epic Universe is opening soon, and a lot of people are excited for that. I am more than happy to help you book that. I am instead choosing to promote tourism to countries that do have a more stable relationship with Canada currently. One of the things that I am doing a lot of promotion with, and I am doing a lot of planning of, is Japan tourism. Just a reminder, I am one of the few travel agents in North America who is a Disney specialist that also can offer Tokyo Disney services. I'm not booking in the conventional way that a travel agent normally does. So it is a service fee, but you are getting my language skills. So I am decent at Japanese and I have a very strong understanding of how ticketing culture in Japan works. So I can help not only book your trip to Tokyo Disney, but I'm currently helping many families also plan a full itinerary around those vacations as well. So I'm really hoping that I can help more people get to experience a country that I love so much. As someone who lived in Japan and completely indulged in her fandom side, know that you'll be in good hands if you are going there and you have a love for anime or J-dramas or Pokemon or just want to see Tokyo Disney or the original Super Nintendo world. I've got you. And I am more than happy to help you live out all of those incredible experiences that you've dreamt about and make sure that you're having a great time. Speaking of fandoms, I've got a really cool thing planned. I've got an opportunity to promote a country that is so high on my personal bucket list, and that is New Zealand. Nerds such as myself have been drawn to New Zealand ever since it was used for Lord of the Rings. I know the second I found out that Middle Earth was actually a real country and not a CGI set, I had in my heart I was just like destined to go to this place. It has not happened yet because it's quite far, but I'm so excited to say that a whole new generation of fans are being introduced to New Zealand I think this weekend with the release of the upcoming Minecraft movie. And New Zealand tourism, the people at 100% Pure New Zealand, have collaborated with Minecraft to create the most incredible collaboration, which is New Zealand is the very first fully playable destination available in the Minecraft universe. You can download the world of Aotearoa, New Zealand. It's currently available in Marketplace right now, and you can experience some of the most incredible places in New Zealand. I myself am not a great gamer. And I am probably too old to really be playing Minecraft. I know that my friends have kids who play it. But as someone who grew up playing games like Harvest Moon, the opportunity to learn a similar game, world building, farming, all that stuff, and make it work related is something I cannot pass up. So, I'm going to be doing walkthrough live streams of each of the destinations available on the downloadable content of New Zealand, starting on April 1st over on Twitch. We are going to be exploring all of the different locations, one each day. So there's 6. We'll be exploring the Waitomo glowworm caves. We will be getting up close and personal with rare birds on Kapiti Island. We'll check out some incredible geysers at Te Puia. We're going to go paddling through Abel Tasman. We will check out stars. They have apparently a great dark sky area in Lake Tekapo. And then we will be finishing off in the waters of Doubtful Sound in Fjordland. So I haven't come up with a schedule yet. I know that I want to start on April 1st. I've got the equipments here. I'm going through setting up, trying to figure out how to get it to work the best. But once I have the dates, you will find them scheduled on my Twitch account, which is Rebecca Travels. I will have all the links for that in the description below. And I'll also be promoting it on my social media accounts, of course. I cannot wait to do this. I know that I'm going to look like such a noob gamer. I have dug myself into a hole quite literally more than once in Minecraft. So hopefully I don't end up doing something stupid and embarrassing this time. But together we're going to look through New Zealand through this digital lens. And I really hope that you'll join me on this adventure in the next week or so. Of course, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't say, if you want more details about any of the places that we explore through Twitch, no, I've got your back. I've got so many resources. I am so happy to help you plan your own New Zealand vacation, or at least just start the research process. Um, you know, I've got you. So those are all the updates right now. I've got a lot for Have Fandom Will Travel. I'm really hoping to get Bredin Digital really back up and running in the next few weeks. And I cannot wait to work with as many of you as possible, either through my video and digital content or through the travel content. Either way, to keep up to date with everything that's available, make sure you check out my social links below. I'll have those in the description. And of course, please give me a follow on Twitch. I'll have that link down there as well. It's Rebecca Travels. And I really hope to see you all in a few days. And if you want to see me just do test runs while I'm just figuring out Minecraft, give me a follow on Twitch and you'll get a notification if I do pop on in the evening. I'm really just trying to make sure I know what I'm doing before I start doing something proper. Anyways, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys real soon. Okay, bye.